Question number 6. Solve the following problems. Number 1. The number of students that appeared in class 12th exam was 2,55,458 in the year 2012, 3,72,564 in year 2013 and 4,18,320 in a year 2014. So how many students appeared for examination from year 2012 to 2014? Okay, so we have to find out the total number of children. How many children were appeared for class 12th exam from year 2012 to 2014. So what we have to do? We have to do addition of all years. How many children were appeared? So first we will start with the statement. So in 2012 first, how many children were appeared? That is 2,55,458. 2,55,458 students. Now in 2013, 3,72,564 in year 2013. So 3,72,564 students. Now in 2014, how many children were appeared? That is 4,18,320. 4,18,320 students. So now we have to add this all to find out the total number of students. So first number is 2,55,458. Then second number 3,72,564. Then third number 4,18,320. Now we will start from the ones place digit. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. So 2 we will write down. 1 will be carried over to tens place digit. Now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 4 we will write down. 1 will be carried over to hundreds place digit. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So 3 we will write down. 1 will be carried over to thousands place digit. Now 5 plus 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over to 10,000s place digit. Now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. So 4 we will write down. 1 will be carried over to lakh place digit. Now 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 4, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So how many children were appeared for the exam? That is from year 2012 to 2014, 10 lakh 46,342 students were appeared for the exam. So here we will write 10,46,342 students were appeared for examination from year 2012 to 2014. Now number 2, Sam had rupees 4,30,750 in his bank account. He withdrew rupees 55,795 from the account. How much money is left in his account now? Okay, Sam total amount how much he is having in his account, that is 4,30,750, and he withdraw how much rupees, that is 55,795. Now we have to find out how much money is left in his account. So what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. So we will start with the statement. So Sam had rupees 4,30,750 in his account. He withdraw equal to rupees 55,795. So now we have to find out how much money is left. So we have to subtract. So 4 lakh 30,750 minus 55,795. So now 0 minus 5 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 we will get 5. Now 4 minus 9 is possible? No. We have to borrow from 7. So this 7 will become 6 and this 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 9, 5. Now 6 minus 7 is possible? No. Here also 0 is there. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. Now from 10 we have to borrow 1. So this 10 will become 9 and this 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 7, 9. Now 9 minus 5, 4. Now 2 minus 5 is possible? No. We have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 5, 7. This 3 we will carry it down. So how much money is left in his account? That is 3,74,955. So here we will write rupees 3,74,955 is left in his account. Now number 3, in an election 4,76,532 voters voted for candidate A. 27,569 more voters voted for candidate B. Find the total number of voters. Okay, here we have to going to find out total number of voters. So candidate A, how many voters were voted? That is 4,76,532. But in candidate B, they have not given how many voters were voted. Okay, just they have told 27,569 more voters voted compared to candidate A. So here we have to first find out how many voters were voted candidate B. Okay, then that answer we will find out the total number of voters. So first we will start with the statement. Candidate A equal to 4,76,532 voters voted. Now for candidate B, they have not given the specific number of voters. Okay, just they have told 27,569 more voters compared to A. Okay, so first we have find out the candidate B, how many voters were voted for candidate B. So for that we will add these two. Okay, so 4,76,532 plus 27,569. Now 2 plus 9, 11. So 1 we will write down, other one will be carried over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 we will write down, other one will be carried over. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 4, 5. So that is candidate B got 5,04,101 voters. Okay. So here we will write candidate B equal to 5,04,101 voters voted. Now we have to find out the total number of voters. So total number of voters, for that we will add the candidate A and candidate B voters. Okay, so candidate A equal to 4,76,532 and candidate B equal to 5,04,101. Now we will start from the ones place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Now 4 plus 5, 9. So 9,80,633 total voters. Now number 4, find the difference between largest 6-digit number and the largest 5-digit number. So largest 6-digit number equal to 9,99,999. Now largest 5-digit number equal to 99,999. Okay, so now we have to find out between these two numbers difference between, means subtraction we are going to do. So 9,99,999 minus 99,999. So 9 minus 9, 0, 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 and this 9 we will carry it down. So what answer we got? 9 lakh. Okay. Now question number 7, dodging. So number 1, 3 5s are, so 3 5s are 15. Number 2, 4 8s are, 4 8s are 32. Number 3 5 7s are 35. Number 4, 6 4s are 24. Number 5, 7 9s are 63. Number 6, 2 12s are 24. Number 7, 8 3s are 24. Number 8, 9 9s are 81. Okay students, like this way you have to do remaining sums from PDF. Thank you.